Technologies. This is the Data Types Part 2 video. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of Python, the building blocks of every program. In this video, we're going to cover Python data types and explore useful concepts like indexing and the len function to help you work with data efficiently. Let's get started.
This thing. Okay. So now scenario, what you need to do to make it a number? What you need to do? You need to make some typecasting. We'll call it as typecasting. Okay. You are converting one data type to another data type, right? This thing you'll call it as typecasting. Okay. Here scenario is very easy to understand this thing. Okay. Here converting one data type to here, one more thing I want to mention, if the class got ended, you can join with the same link. Okay. And recordings also you'll be getting part 1, part 2 before this class ends and after this class ends. Okay. I'll share all these things once if you're getting the recording, you'll understand. Converting one data type to another. This is nothing but simple definition that you'll be learning from C language, all the languages. Okay. Clear, right? And be consistent towards the class. Why? Because once if we start the class, this basic things may take for 1 or 2 days, or 2 to 3 days, not more than that. We'll be entering into advanced part in Python. Okay. I want to deal with some algorithms also, like coding part also in the sessions. Okay. Typecasting, see here. Now you have it is string, right? Just you need to take some b is equal to hint of a. Just now check the type of b now. It is hint. Okay. You are typecasting here. By doing this, you are typecasting here. Okay. You are doing typecasting. Similarly, with the input itself, you can do it. When you take this only, you can do it. How you can do it? Okay. It's easy to take it. Just simply you need to take here hint of. 1 minute, 2 people are joining. Okay. Yeah. Here just you need to take hint of. Okay. You're getting some syntax error just because I need to give one more thing. Okay. Hint of 40 now. Can anyone tell me what will be the data type now? What might be the data type of A now in this scenario? Yeah, it's hint. True. Hint. Okay. If you take float now, just mention float. Even for Boolean also you can mention it. Okay. Some Boolean. Okay. See. But only for true or false it will give you. Don't take other values. Okay. You'll get true. And type of A Boolean. Okay. But if you take any number, here I'm taking true here. But if you take any number, it will take false. Don't give any number, enter a bool value. Okay. Okay, in this way you can take Boolean value also. You can typecast any number here. As I mentioned, we have different data types, right? Integer, hint, float, Boolean, complex. You can take anything. Okay. Here we don't have that scenario, Rakesh. It's not like C language. It's Python. We have true and false directly. We don't have 0 and 1. Maybe you are telling that except 0 all are true, I guess. Maybe if you can, if you want, I'll show you. Like if you take 0, what it will give the value. So what it will give. It's giving Boolean only, but what is it? Hey, it's not giving. It might be giving true. For 0 also it is giving true. Not only one value, all the values it is considering as true. Okay. All the numeric values it is considering as true, Rakesh. Clear, right? This thing, everything here. Okay. Similarly, you can take the float value or any value. Okay. Now coming to naming in Python, how you'll name in Python. Okay. And how I'm using this shortcuts na. Once go with Jupyter Notebook sheet, you can understand. Mostly, a very less time I'll be using this mouse. Mostly I'll be using keyboard only. Okay, how I'm using this all things, you can go with Jupyter sheet. Okay. Naming in Python. What is naming in Python? Everyone know, I guess. Okay, how you'll name things in Python. If you want to take any variable, na, you'll name with some a where or something. Okay, you can mention like this some 45. Okay, it doesn't show any error here. Similarly, you can take some capital letter and small letter too. Okay, even it doesn't show any error. Okay, and if you take number, is it possible to get a number before like this is equal to 90? It will rise an error. You cannot take number before actually while you are taking this in. This is a syntax of declaring the variables in Python. If you want to assign some values, you can take all the variables this way or capital or small letters, combination of capital and small letters. But you cannot take this way. But you can take u by 90, okay, is equal to 78. It doesn't show any error here. Okay. After any variables, you can take numbers, but before numbers, you cannot take any variables. This is not possible. Numbers you should not take. Okay. And you can use some different things also, different character like underscore also. For underscore also, you can give some value. Okay. It doesn't give any error to you. Similarly, you can take a underscore of combination of some numbers. You can take many. However you want, you can take it. Okay. Got it, right? This thing. If you take for number for 9, it will give an error. Okay. Even if you take dollar, it will give some error. Why? Because see, it will give an error. After number, you can take this dollar. So like $1. Still, it's giving error. You should not take use this all special characters. Okay. Chalo. We'll deal with string concept next. String is very important in Python. Okay. Why? Because mostly in many cases, we'll deal with slicing concept actually. Everyone know what is slicing concept, right? In many scenarios, we'll use slicing concept. Okay. You'll try to know what is slicing concept. Like there are many members who are beginners in this section. Okay. Try to understand this all things. If you're not getting anything, you can ping me. Okay. And go through the recordings also if you're not getting anything. These are very basics. Okay. See here, if you take any string, na, you can take in this way. Like either you can declare this way or you can declare in a single code also. It doesn't show any error. Okay. If you take A, if you take B, it shows the same thing. Either you can declare with double quotes or you can declare with single quotes when you're taking this string up. Okay. It's up to you. However you want, you can take it. And we have some things in string. We'll deal with all the things. If you want to know the length of the string, right? We have some inbuilt functions for it. Okay, how to take this length of strings and all. We'll understand this all things. Okay, just you need to give this length of string, length of A, okay, or else length of B. Both are same. Obviously, it will give 5. Okay, you have many things with strings and all. I'll explain you this all things. Okay, when you come to string, everyone know array, right? You all know what is array. Array index start from what? It start from 0. In the same way, you can take the strings also. Okay. Here index starts with 0. If you take index, it starts with uh, it start with 0. Okay. it starts with 0. Here, index, whatever index you take, now it starts with 0. If you want, I'll show you. Even it consider the space, okay? It also consider the space also, okay, in index value. For example, here I'll give, I like eating chicken biryani or something, okay? I like eating. I'm declaring the string now, okay, in a variable. If you take a, sorry, don't use this inbuilt method. Okay, str is for string you are using it. Okay, to convert string you are using it. And I didn't explain you right where we'll use this string. Like here, typecasting part I'm explaining you.
Video. You will be learning more about the indexing, splitting. Stay tuned and watch next video.